Hello guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to edit a PDF document in Canva. So once you have Canva open and you sign into your account, it will take you right into this dashboard here, and you can easily upload any PDF document that you have. So if you see in my file explorer here, I have a bunch of PDF documents. I'm going to choose one of them. Let's choose this one for example. I'm going to simply click on upload from these menus here at the top. So I'm going to simply click on upload, and then I'm going to choose file. It's going to open up my file explorer. Let me go to the downloads where I have those different files, and I'm going to simply click and upload. This is going to load the document, and you can see it under the recent designs. So it's going to upload that document, now able to open it by clicking it, and I can view and edit whatever I want. So once that document is loaded, guys, you realize that once you hover over any information on the page, you can easily change it. So I can change this from project proposal to change it to something like a project plan. So I can do this whatever I want. I can choose it. It's really up to me, right? So I can go down here and I can possibly remove this from the document. I can even go ahead and change the color, and I can do whatever I want with this document. It's really up to me. And so guys, as you can see, you can easily go ahead and edit any PDF document that you may have inside your computer. You can easily upload it to Canva, and you can easily go ahead and modify. So as you can see, I am doing quite a lot by changing up a few things here in my document, and so you can do the same if you have any document that you would like to change on your Canva. So guys, that's it. That's how you easily go ahead and edit any PDF document you have on Canva by uploading it and make whatever changes. Now, once you're done making the changes that you want, guys, you can simply click share on the upper right hand side, and then you have the download button. So you click on the download. You want to ensure that you click the file type and change this to a standard PDF document. You can select from one to all pages. So in this case, I'm going to simply download all the pages again, and I'm going to simply hit that download button. Now this will take a second to download. As you can see, it's quickly downloaded in a few seconds, and once it's done, I now have my new document that I can open and I can look at. And that's how you easily do it, guys. I really hope you find value here within this video, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like, let me know in the comments below, and hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you next time.